As we get older, do you ever find yourself worrying about losing your strength? That feeling when you can't lift the groceries with the same ease, or the stairs seem just a little more challenging? It's not just in your head. It's a real biological process called sarcopenia. That's the clinical term for age-related muscle loss, and it can quietly sneak up on us, chipping away at our mobility, balance, and independence. It's estimated that sarcopenia affects a huge portion of the elderly population worldwide, somewhere between 10% and 16%. It's linked to a higher risk of falls, fractures, and a decline in our ability to do everyday things. But what if I told you that one of the secrets to fighting back wasn't in some expensive supplement or a brutal new workout? What if it was sitting right in your fruit bowl? Today, we're going to explore 5 powerful, everyday fruits that are packed with the nutrients scientifically shown to help protect and support your muscle mass after 60. We'll break down the science of how they work, why they're so effective, and give you easy, delicious ways to make them part of your daily life. So stick with me, because the power to reclaim your strength might just be a grocery trip away. Why fruits are your muscle's best friend. Before we get to our list, it's important to understand why fruits are such a crucial part of the muscle health puzzle as we age. When most people think about building muscle, they immediately think of protein. And they're not wrong. Protein is absolutely essential. It provides the amino acids that are the literal building blocks of our muscle tissue. But thinking protein alone will solve muscle loss is like trying to build a house with just a pile of bricks. You still need the construction crew. You need masons to lay the bricks, electricians to wire the house for energy, and a security team to protect it from damage. In our bodies, the amazing nutrients in fruits play these exact roles. The key players here are antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. As we get older, our bodies are often in a state of low-grade inflammation and oxidative stress. You can think of oxidative stress as a kind of biological rust caused by unstable molecules that damage our cells, including our muscle cells. This damage can speed up muscle breakdown and get in the way of repair. This is where antioxidants in fruits come to the rescue. They are your muscle's personal security team, neutralizing those harmful molecules and creating a better environment for muscle preservation and repair. Then you have anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of sarcopenia, like a slow-burning fire that weakens your muscle tissue. The compounds in certain fruits act like a fire extinguisher, calming that inflammation so your muscles can recover more effectively. Finally, there are minerals like potassium and magnesium. Potassium is critical for proper muscle contraction and nerve function, helping to prevent those painful cramps that can discourage you from being active. Magnesium is a key player in producing energy within the muscle cells and also helps prevent cramping. So, you see, it's the powerful combination of getting enough protein and the rich nutrients from these specific fruits that creates the perfect environment to not just slow muscle loss, but to actively support stronger, healthier muscle tissue. Now, with that foundation laid, let's unveil our first muscle-supporting fruit. Fruit number 1, the creamy defender, avocado. First up on our list is a fruit often mistaken for a vegetable, the creamy, green superstar, the avocado. While many people love it for its heart health benefits, its nutritional profile makes it an unsung hero in the fight against age-related muscle loss. The avocado's power comes from its unique mix of nutrients. First, let's talk about its monounsaturated fats. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Fat? Isn't that what we're supposed to avoid? This is where we need to make a distinction. The healthy fats in avocados are incredibly anti-inflammatory. Studies have shown these fats can help reduce the chronic inflammation that contributes to muscle breakdown in older adults. By calming this inflammation, avocados create a better environment for muscle preservation. But that's not all. Avocados are also a fantastic source of potassium. In fact, they have more potassium gram for gram than bananas. This mineral is vital for muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Getting enough potassium is essential for smooth muscle function and can help prevent the painful cramps that often sideline seniors, making it easier to stay active. Avocados also provide a healthy dose of magnesium and vitamin E. Magnesium is crucial for energy within the muscle itself, helping to reduce fatigue. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that acts as a guardian for your muscle cells, protecting them from the wear and tear of daily life and physical activity. So, how can you easily get more avocado in your diet? It's incredibly versatile. Mash half an avocado on whole grain toast for breakfast. Slice it into a salad for a creamy, satisfying texture. You can even blend a quarter of an avocado into your smoothie for creaminess without really changing the taste. A good goal is about half a medium avocado a day. Don't fear the fat in avocados. Embrace it as a powerful tool for defending your muscles. Next up is a small, ruby red fruit that athletes have sworn by for years. And now, solid science is showing why it's a game changer for anyone over 60 looking to stay active and reduce muscle discomfort. The tart cherry. The magic of tart cherries is in their incredibly high concentration of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the natural pigments that give cherries their deep red color, and they are some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds in nature. For your muscles, their biggest benefit is their ability to reduce soreness and speed up recovery after physical activity. Think about those times you've gardened all afternoon or played with the grandkids, and the next day your muscles are stiff and achy. This is called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. It's caused by tiny amounts of damage to muscle fibers and the inflammation that follows. The anthocyanins in tart cherries target this process directly, calming the inflammation and leading to less pain and a quicker return to comfortable movement. The science backs this up. One study found that runners who drank tart cherry juice before a race had significantly less muscle pain afterward. Another study from Oregon Health and Science University found that tart cherry juice effectively lowered markers of muscle damage and inflammation in older adults, with no negative side effects. If it can help marathon runners, imagine what it can do for those of us just trying to live an active, pain-free life. So, how do you get the benefits? The most studied form is 100% pure tart cherry juice without added sugars. A small glass, about 8 to 12 ounces a day, can be really effective. You can also find tart cherry concentrate to dilute with water, or dried tart cherries to sprinkle on yogurt or oatmeal. If you don't love the taste, tart cherry capsules are also widely available. For most people, it's a safe and natural way to soothe sore muscles. If you're finding this useful and are already thinking about adding these fruits to your shopping list, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it makes a huge difference in helping this channel reach more people who need to hear this empowering message. Thanks so much for your support. Fruit number 3, the endurance elixir, pomegranate. This fruit is a true gem, revered since ancient times for its connection to health and vitality. With its brilliant, jewel-like seeds, the pomegranate isn't just beautiful. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can help enhance muscle endurance and fight the fatigue that often comes with aging. The main weapon in the pomegranate's arsenal is a group of powerful antioxidants called polyphenol. These compounds work in a fascinating way. They help protect and improve the function of our mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as the tiny power plants inside all of your cells, including your muscle cells. They generate the energy your muscles need to work. As we age, the function of these power plants can decline, leading to more fatigue and reduced muscle performance. The polyphenol in pomegranates act like a maintenance crew, protecting the mitochondria from damage. This results in better energy production, which translates directly to improved endurance and less fatigue. Pomegranate polyphenol have also been shown to improve blood flow by increasing the body's production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients can get to your working muscles. Studies are starting to confirm this. Research has shown that pomegranate juice can improve muscle strength recovery after strenuous exercise. One clinical trial was even designed to test if combining power training with pomegranate juice could boost muscle function and mass in adults aged 50 to 70. Getting this endurance elixir into your diet is easier than you might think. The seeds, or arils, are delicious on their own or sprinkled over yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. To easily de-seed a pomegranate, just cut it in half, hold it cut side down over a bowl, and tap the back with a wooden spoon. The arils will pop right out. A daily serving of about half a cup of seeds or a small 8-ounce glass of 100% pure juice is a great way to fuel your cellular power plants. Fruit number 4, the bone and muscle builder. This fruit might be a surprise. It's famous for helping with digestion, but new research is highlighting its amazing benefits for both bones and muscles. I'm talking about prunes, also known as dried plums. The link between prunes and muscle health is tied to their incredible impact on bone health. For seniors, you really can't separate the two. Strong muscles need a strong frame. Sarcopenia, muscle loss, and osteoporosis, bone loss, are often called hazardous twins because they frequently happen together and make each other worse. Prunes are uniquely equipped to help with both. Prunes are an outstanding source of vitamin K, a nutrient that's absolutely critical for bone metabolism. Vitamin K helps your body balance calcium and plays a key role in building strong bone tissue. In fact, clinical trials with postmenopausal women have shown that eating prunes daily can help prevent the loss of bone mineral density. One randomized controlled trial found that eating 50 to 100 grams of prunes a day, about 5 to 10 prunes, was effective at protecting bone density. So what does this have to do with muscle? A stronger skeleton provides a more stable foundation for your muscles, helping them work better and reducing injury risk. Beyond vitamin K, prunes are also a good source of potassium for muscle contraction and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. The takeaway here is simple. Aim for about 5 to 6 prunes a day. You can enjoy them as a snack, chop them up for your morning cereal, or even add them to savory stews. By adding a handful of prunes to your diet, you're not just helping your digestive system. You're investing in the linked health of your bones and muscles. Fruit number 5, the everyday energizer. We've arrived at our final fruit, and it's a humble, inexpensive classic, the banana. It's the go-to pre-workout snack for athletes for a good reason. It's one of the most convenient and reliable muscle-friendly foods you can find. A banana's reputation is built on its rich supply of key nutrients, starting with potassium. A medium banana can provide about 10% of your daily potassium needs. We've mentioned potassium a few times, but it's that important. It's an electrolyte that regulates muscle contractions, nerve signals, and fluid balance. When you're active, you lose potassium through sweat, which can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and cramps. A banana is an easy and effective way to replenish those stores. But bananas offer more than just potassium. They're also a great source of vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for protein metabolism. It plays a direct role in taking the protein you eat and helping your body use it to build and repair muscle tissue. Without enough vitamin B6, your body's ability to maintain muscle is seriously hampered. Bananas also provide easily digestible carbohydrates. These carbs give you a quick source of clean energy, making a banana the perfect snack before a walk or any physical activity. This quick fuel helps top up your muscle's primary energy source, leading to better performance. There's no need to get fancy with bananas. Their convenience is their superpower. Have one about 30 minutes before you exercise for a quick energy boost. Slice one over your cereal or yogurt. For an even more powerful muscle-building snack, pair a banana with a source of protein and healthy fat, like a spoonful of almond butter. It's a simple, effective, and delicious strategy to keep your muscles energized and well-nourished. So there you have it, 5 powerful, simple fruits that can be your greatest allies in the fight to support muscle health and combat age-related decline. Let's do a quick recap. We started with the creamy avocado, a defender against inflammation, packed with healthy fats and potassium. Then we had the tart cherry, the ultimate soother for muscle soreness, helping you recover faster. Our third fruit was the pomegranate, an endurance elixir that fuels your cellular power plants. Next came the surprising prune, the dynamic builder for both your bones and muscles. And finally, the everyday energizer, the banana, providing essential potassium and vitamin B6 for muscle metabolism. Remember, taking control of your muscle health as you age is about preserving your strength, your mobility, and your independence. It's about being able to play with your grandkids, climb the stairs without a second thought, and live life with confidence. The journey to a stronger you can start with something as simple and enjoyable as adding these delicious fruits to your daily diet. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits are already a part of your routine? What are some of your favorite ways to enjoy them? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Your ideas could inspire someone else in our community. And if you found this video helpful and want more science-backed, practical advice to help you stay strong and healthy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier you.